we're here with the captain of the Mona High School. You have to lift up the mic. Yeah, we're the captain of the Mona High School team, Akeem Bernard. Unfortunate loss today. Speak to us about how you feel after this game.
Feel bad in myself. I think I could do better, but the flu that going around, I think it caught me really bad. So I'm sick. A matter of fact, so not my good match.
All right, so you played through a flu today. Speak to us about how hard it was playing through illness.
I can hardly breathe. If we run, I can hardly breathe.
So why is it that you still decided to go out on the field today?
Because I got to give my 100%. I come out of this, I got to fight to the end. I cannot give up on my team.
All right, so the Champions Cup is over, unfortunately, but you guys are still in with the chance to win 2 more trophies, the Manning Cup and the Olivia Shield. How will you guys regroup and come again for the next match coming up?
Just come back stronger.
All right, and speak to us about your particular performance in today's game.
Bad.
All right, well,
I think I catch up back in the second half.
Yeah, you definitely had a good second half, and you definitely will improve going forward. We're not going to keep you too long. Akeem Bernard, captain of the Mona High School team. Thanks for talking to us.